How to use Welcome to Squarespace logo. Now, in order to do that, we first need to head over to a new tab right here and go over to squarespace.com/logo. So this is actually the logo creator of Squarespace. In here, just enter your company name. So let's input right here, tutorials. After you have done that, just head over and click onto this next icon right here or to this arrow icon. And then this will actually head over and then start in here this. It will give us in here the tutorial editor. So for example, I have in here the name. You can add in here some text or as well as the mock-ups for your actual business. I'll head over and input right here some vectors that I want to use. For example, let's head over and choose in here this cloud and head over, and once you're done, click onto this save logo. Now you can download your logo for free when you log in or create an account to download. Let's head over and log in. Click on the this download. And once you have done that, this will download in here this. You can download the light mode, the dark mode, as well as both of them. Let's download both. Let's click on this and let's click on this right there. Now once you're done downloading, head back right here to your site. And then I have in here the site header. Click on edit. And then from in there, let's head over and add elements. For this case, you can add language switch, social links, and likes. So if you wish to add in here your logo, just click on this and click on this edit. Add in here your logo, click on upload file and locate it. Create this right here, so let's click on this, click on open. And then after that, this should be able to upload. Just wait for this to finish the uploading option. As you can see, it's now been added. So that's how you use Welcome to Squarespace logo. Hope we helped.